Okay, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the assignment 4. So assignment 4 is a back with the Azure DataBricks. So we are going to learn about how to use the Apache Spark data frame methods to explore and transform data in the Azure DataBricks. So the assignment, we have the exercise 1, task 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we also have the exercise 2 for the advanced methods, which is the cloning, and then run the aggregate function and so on. Also 4 tasks. So in the total we have the 8 tasks. Okay. So as usual, before we start with exercise 1, because we have not we have deleted the previous Azure DataBricks that we have created. So we are going to create again the Azure DataBricks workspace and create a cluster. So this follow the instructions in the previous assignment, which was in the assignment 2. In the assignment 2 there was a brief instruction how to create the Azure DataBricks, which is here. Okay, so we're going to follow these instructions to create the Azure DataBricks cluster. Okay, I have opened my Azure portal, and then I have already opened the Azure DataBricks. If you have not opened, you can search from the Azure DataBricks, and then after that just type the DataBricks. Here you go. Then click. Then we are going to create a new workspace. Okay, so the name of the resource group following the previous instructions, RG 0322B Ryan. Okay, and then the location is West US, and the name is WS, workspace 0322B Ryan. Okay, the rest is follow the default. Nothing else to configure. Just click review and create. Once the validation is completed, then we're going to click create. Okay, so it will take a while. The page will be refreshed, and it will create the Azure DataBricks workspace, and then follow by creating the standalone cluster. Okay, I will pause the video and wait until this process completed. Okay, so the workspace was created already successfully. So I just go to the resource, and it will open the Azure DataBricks workspace, then launch the workspace. Automatically will sign in. Okay, so this page we just close, and then we're going to create a new cluster. So the reason why we create a new cluster, because previously we deleted the cluster, the resource group, to save the cost. In the real life, you create it and you keep it there. But to save the cost, then we delete the resource group that contains the cluster every time we finish with the lab. Okay, so click the create cluster. Just call it, then rename the cluster Ryan's cluster. Okay, and then single node, and everything else just use the default. Okay, click create cluster, and this will take a while. I just pause the recording. Okay, so the part in the creating the Azure DataBricks workspace and the Azure DataBricks cluster completed already. So we are ready to start with the exercise 1, task 1. Okay, I separately save this recording as a part 0. Thanks for watching.